Let's fix your Instagram bio link if it's not working. Now, if you have a link in your Instagram bio, but it's not working, you can't necessarily click on it. No one else can click on it and go to that specific link. I'm going to show you how to fix it, but first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So I'm going to hop into Instagram here and tap on my profile at the bottom right. Now, here you can see I can edit profile. And the first thing and the key mistake that I see people making is that they put the link directly in the bio. So if I tap on my bio here and you paste in a link here, it will not be a clickable link. So you can obviously put a link in here, but it won't be clickable. Instagram does not allow that to be a link that somebody can tap on and it will take them to that website. So that's the first key mistake, is that make sure you go back and you go to add links right under that, and then tap on add external link. And then here where it says the URL, that is where you want to paste in that link to be on your bio. So it will only be clickable if it's on here. You can add the URL and then also add a title, whatever you want, like this is my link, and then hit done at the top right. That will add your link. The second thing to look out for is that make sure the link is basically spelled correctly. So make sure that you didn't mistype anything. Make sure it's actually the correct link. And then the third thing is that sometimes Instagram doesn't like certain links from certain websites or something like that. And you can always choose a link service, a link shortener, to use that instead. I'll show you how to do that. Let's hop out of there and open up Safari. And then I'm just going to type in shorten link. And you can choose any of these different ones. Tiny URL, you can go there and you can enter in a long link like google.com. And then I'm going to make tiny link. And then you can see it has created a tiny link. Of course, in this instance, google.com is not very long, but I can just hit copy here. And now I can use this specific link, which will redirect to the link that I want in my bio. So let's go over here and we will paste in this tiny URL and hit done and back and done. And now you can see I have that tiny URL in my bio. So if that link that you're trying to add in there doesn't work, try to use one of those tiny URLs or any other link shortener. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.